When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value, choosing the right windows is essential, especially in Dallas, where hot summers and mild winters can put a strain on your HVAC system. However, not all windows are created equal. Understanding window ratings can help you make informed decisions to maximize energy savings and create a comfortable living environment. Here's a breakdown of the key window ratings and how they impact energy efficiency, helping you choose the best windows for your Dallas home. U-factor. Measuring insulation performance. The U-factor measures how well a window insulates against heat transfer. A lower U-factor indicates better insulation, which is crucial for maintaining a stable indoor temperature and reducing energy consumption. How it works. The U-factor is expressed as a decimal between 0.20 and 1.20. Lower numbers mean the window is more effective at keeping heat inside during winter and preventing it from entering during summer. Ideal for Dallas. While Dallas winters are mild, the hot summers make insulation a priority. Look for windows with a U-factor of 0.30 or lower for optimal performance. Choosing windows with a low U-factor ensures your home stays comfortable year-round while reducing cooling and heating costs. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC. Blocking unwanted heat. The SHGC measures how much solar heat a window allows to pass through. It's a critical factor in Dallas, where sunny days and high temperatures are the norm. How it works. SHGC is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. Lower values indicate the window blocks more solar heat, while higher values allow more heat to enter. Ideal for Dallas. Look for windows with an SHGC of 0.25 to 0.40 to minimize heat gain while maintaining natural light. By choosing windows with a low SHGC, you'll keep your home cooler during Dallas's sweltering summers without overburdening your air conditioning. Visible transmittance, VT. Maximizing natural light. VT measures the amount of visible light that passes through a window. While energy efficiency is essential, allowing ample natural light into your home can enhance its aesthetic and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. How it works. VT is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. Higher values indicate more light passes through the glass. Ideal for Dallas. Aim for windows with a VT of 0.50 or higher to maximize natural light while balancing energy efficiency. The right balance of SHGC and VT ensures your home stays bright without overheating, creating a more pleasant indoor environment. Low E coatings. Reflecting heat and UV rays. Low emissivity, low E coatings are microscopic layers applied to window glass to reflect heat and block UV rays without reducing natural light. How it works. Low E coatings reduce heat transfer and protect your home's interior from fading caused by UV exposure. Ideal for Dallas. Look for windows with high-performance low E coatings to reflect the intense Dallas sun and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Low E glass is an essential feature for homeowners in Dallas looking to improve energy efficiency and protect their furnishings. Air leakage. Ensuring a tight seal. Air leakage measures the amount of air that passes through a window's seals. Lower air leakage values indicate better sealing and insulation. How it works. Air leakage is expressed in cubic feet per minute, CFM, per square foot of window area. Lower values mean less air escapes or enters your home. Ideal for Dallas. Choose windows with an air leakage rating of 0.3 CFM or lower to maintain energy efficiency and prevent drafts. Properly sealed windows help reduce energy waste and keep your home comfortable, even during extreme temperatures. ENERGY STAR certification. A trusted benchmark. ENERGY STAR certified windows meet rigorous standards for energy efficiency set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. What it means. ENERGY STAR windows are tested for optimal performance in specific climate zones, including the southern region, which covers Dallas. Ideal for Dallas. Look for the ENERGY STAR label to ensure your windows are designed to perform well in hot climates. ENERGY STAR certification simplifies the process of selecting high-efficiency windows that meet Dallas's unique climate needs. Choosing the right frame material. The material of your window frames can also impact energy efficiency. Each material has its own advantages depending on your priorities. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, vinyl frames are a popular choice for Dallas homeowners. Fiberglass. Durable and highly insulating, fiberglass frames resist warping in extreme heat. Wood. Provides excellent insulation and a classic aesthetic but requires regular maintenance. Aluminum. Lightweight and strong, but less insulating unless paired with thermal breaks. Selecting the right frame material ensures your windows complement your home's style while maximizing efficiency. Professional installation. The final piece. Even the highest rated windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Professional installation ensures your windows fit perfectly, preventing air leaks and maintaining energy efficiency. Expert knowledge. Professionals understand how to install windows according to local building codes and climate conditions. Sealing and insulation. Proper sealing ensures your windows perform at their best, reducing drafts and energy loss. Investing in professional installation maximizes the benefits of your high-performance windows. Conclusion. Make an informed choice for your Dallas home. Understanding window ratings is essential for maximizing energy efficiency and comfort in your Dallas home. By focusing on U-factor, SHGC, VT, low E coatings, and air leakage, you can select windows that perform well in Dallas's hot climate while providing plenty of natural light. Partner with a trusted local professional to choose and install the perfect windows for your needs. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more energy efficient, comfortable, and beautiful home for years to come.